What's up YouTube, it's Kentucky Fried here. So in this video I'll be painting August free miniature of the month, and this month we have a Space Wolf. finished up. He turned out really nice. So on this one here, this is actually the first time I've done any decals. So you see here on his shoulder that I did one here and I put one here on his back. Both of those turned out really good. And this is also the first time I did any freehand here on the other shoulder with the little claw marks there. So I like how that looks as well. And also the pin shading, if you see like in all the like the recesses there, just did the little shading just right in the recesses, and I like that technique a lot. So something I'll probably definitely be doing a lot more of for sure. Didn't get as much highlighting, edge highlighting done as I wanted to. I kind of ran out of time. So you notice like the sword doesn't really have any highlights really. Although the gun, you see, I did drill the side out this time. Normally I just do the front of the barrel. So this time I did both, and that really makes it look a lot more realistic. And but yeah, other than that, I mean, it looks pretty good. The base looks pretty nice, you know, kind of an icy snow base. And yeah, anyways, my local Warhammer store is going to have that paint contest, and I'm going to go ahead and drive up there and we'll get entered into that. So at the end of this video, I'll put the other entries there, whoever show up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
But fantastic. Well done. I'll be posting these up on Facebook either today or tomorrow. So.
That's more.